Hi everyone. I was looking at the aquariums and there have been some progress, but essentially I have one that is what I think is the ideal long maintenance aquarium. Anyhow, these are the Aqua Dragons. They are doing well. As you can see, the water from previous videos are still clearing, so what I'm doing is using the Aqua Dragons food in the Aqua Dragons aquarium, but because of previous experiences and instructions of the Aqua Dragons, I only feeding them twice a week until I feel the water is clear enough. So I feed them today, so most likely I will feed them again on Thursday. And depending if we have clear or not, I will continue just 2 times a week with the spoon, this big one of the Aqua Dragons with the Aqua Dragons food. Hopefully that will clear up. Okay. Then we have these sea monkeys. I'm still struggling. Why all the gunk in the bottom? Because essentially I'm trying to reproduce what I did in the aquarium that looks the best now. So because I have no idea what else to do. And of course, I'm in food limited schedule. Actually, I don't believe because I put extra stuff today and it got more crowded. I will not feed them possibly until maybe Saturday. So we will see how it goes. Okay, and here is the original colony. Yeah, they are doing fine. In October 18, it will be 4 months since I started their kit, and they're doing yet an egg, but you will see that the water could be clearer, so we're still working on that. So they still in restricted feeding. Instead of 2 scoops each other day of sea monkeys, I only giving them one 3 weeks, 3 days per week until it clears at the level that I will show you. Also, the reason I have moved the spoons, well, this one is covered completely, so that one is staying there, it's doing its purpose. But I wanted it to get more cover with algae is that the original place that was in the other video what really looked like Pea Soup Aquarium become this. Let me see if I can get a good view. And as you can see, what it was before the Pea Soup Aquarium, like 2 or 3 weeks ago, I removed all the adults. Then I did certain things, and all of a sudden I started seeing baby sea monkeys, and the water started getting clearer and clearer and clearer and clearer until what you're seeing today. All of these sea monkeys are next generation. Either they came from the eggs that were there already, or before I removed all the adults, there was still one female, so the HMI, he left some descendants there, but these all were born and grown here. So I still trying to figure out how the water went from pea soup to the best, cleanest aquarium. That is how a brine shrimp aquarium, pets aquarium should look like. And you can see that is the algae have spread on all the stuff in the bottom. So now that the light is shining, it's coming up, and I'm feeding them to what is it? Here we go. Two of the sea monkey spoons 3 times a week. Normally Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, or maybe Saturday. The important thing is that I don't feed them 2 days in a row, but I'm feeding them the 2 scoops of the sea monkey food, and the water still keeps as clear as you are seeing. So that is working out. Sadly, I cannot explain why when I got these guys compared like this and this and this. So I'm still experimenting to see if I can clear the other 3 aquariums at this level. But let me see, it's a good view. So it's ideal. They are showing quite fine. All different sizes. Even already some of the female have eggs. And you see the bubbles coming up from the bottom and going up. Okay, I think that is a good view. So I will let it the next 3 minutes. So you see what I consider what is an ideal brine shrimp pets aquarium that have reached the maintenance level. Sorry, trying to see where it looks the best. So hopefully in the next video the other aquariums will look as clear as this one. It's my hope. At least 2 of them are in a good path in that way, and hopefully the one that is giving trouble what I'm doing right now will work and clear it up. But beside the issue of clear it up, all of them, all the sea monkeys looks fine, look like thriving. Of course, it's too cold, so there is less and less babies now, but that is to expected. Normally at this point in the 90s, I only had like maybe 2, 3, and I was about to let it evaporate when those finish the life cycle, but looks like this year they will go through the winter, but still early. We will talk about that later. See you later, everyone.